I had a cornea transplant back in 2019, and I got to talk to the doctor, and so we do the eye surgery equipment. And I'm like, oh, I make that, we made that kind of thing. My name is Joshua Leipzig. I work at Saint-Gobain, Portage, Wisconsin. I am a first shift lead in the manufacturing industry. In the morning, I make the scheduling for the team, and I'll go through the emails and check everything to make sure everything's good, interacting with the employees and just seeing how they're doing throughout their day, how their quality, how their machinery is running, just kind of getting that employee interaction and seeing how they're doing. Anything I can do to help them, that's basically what I like to do. I would say I'm an introvert, so I find this a challenging position, but I do love it. I love the relationships that I built. It's pushed me out of my comfort zone, I would say, which is great, and I can see that, and people tell me that they can see it, so it's an accomplishment for me. Growing up, I was a farm boy, so that work ethic was really driven into me. I went to school for landscape architecture. Almost finished, but life got in the way and I had to relocate. I needed a job, so I went out and reached out to the temp agency. I started over at the company across the street here. I needed the job, I needed the money, and that one didn't work out, so I tried this one. And yeah, it worked out. It's crazy. You don't expect it to, but it happened. It was a different environment. It was climate controlled. The people here were really great. They're accepting. The management here, the supervisors were very supportive to where I wanted it to be, and it just made me feel comfortable. Yeah, you kind of hear like the manufacturing people are tough, like they're rough, like that's what I heard too. But working here, people are loving, they're passionate about what they do. They want to be with you, they want to help you. I mean, for like the LGBT community, manufacturing can be a scary place. Just believe in yourself and push yourself, and it can be a great place to work. So you don't need that college degree, you don't need that fancy stuff to be who you are. Manufacturing is a good place to be. I've grown into myself, so it's been a fun journey for me, but challenging too. I started out as the temp for a year. I worked my way up, and here I am, and my next goal is to become a supervisor. And there's great opportunities for you to grow. The opportunities are endless, basically. Make it a dream, basically, like I did.